Welcome, my beautiful nerds, back to MTG into D&D, and today we're going to be talking about the explosives. After working with an artificer for a couple of tasks she needed done, instead of payment she offers this, a vial of dragonfire. She speaks of it having the breath of a dragon within it. Mechanically, if it's thrown, it has a 30-foot ring of fire. As well, it can be uncorked and gout a dragon breath weapon out of the front of it. The party warlock wants to stop into a steampunk graveyard where they find this explosive apparatus lying amongst the pipework and gravestones. From a mechanical standpoint, it causes a d8 of necrotic damage, as well as pushing the target 10 feet because of the escaped soul. The party meets with a traveling death druid, who offers a vial of poison in exchange for some copper pieces to buy food. Smashing the frail glass upon skin opens up the wyvern poison and deathcap mushrooms into the veins. They become poisoned.